In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autosuggest in the Perplexity AI web version. It's a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes of your time, but can significantly improve your user experience if you prefer to avoid those auto suggestions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Perplexity website. You can simply type it into your browser's address bar or click on your saved bookmark if you have one. Once the site loads up, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be discussing today. Now that you're on the Perplexity homepage, look for the Preferences section. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon, often located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu or a side menu, depending on the design, where you can select preferences. Think of this section as your personal control center. It's where you can tailor the website's functionality to suit your needs. Within the Preferences menu, you'll see a list of various customizable settings. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Auto Suggest option. Auto Suggest is a handy feature for many, but it's perfectly understandable if you find it a bit overwhelming or unnecessary for your purposes. Accessing this section will show you the current status of the Auto Suggest feature. Once you're in the Auto Suggest settings, you'll notice a toggle switch. This switch is what we'll be focusing on next. If the switch is turned on, it means the Auto Suggest feature is currently enabled. To disable it, simply click on the toggle. This should instantly switch it to the off position, indicating that Auto Suggest is now disabled. That's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully turned off the Auto Suggest feature in Perplexity AI. If you ever decide you'd like to re-enable it, you can always return to the same settings and toggle it back on at any time. This flexibility allows you to customize your browsing experience according to your current preferences. In conclusion, customizing your Perplexity AI experience is quick and easy. Disabling the auto-suggest feature can help streamline your interactions, allowing you to focus on the content that matters most to you. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Have a great day and enjoy exploring Perplexity AI.